Good evening, and thank you for joining us on Denver 7 News at 6 on this Monday. I'm Jessica Porter.
And I'm Jessica Crawford. Is Colorado's Universal Preschool program discriminating against religious schools? Well, that's the claim in a lawsuit that we have been tracking for you. Tonight, 2 Denver Catholic schools are now appealing a ruling in a lawsuit against the state.
We spoke to the attorney representing the parishes. They claim Catholic schools are being forced to comply with an equal opportunity requirement, which they say violates their freedom of religion.
Denver 7's Danielle Kreuter has a breakdown of where things stand now.
You can choose any option in the state. You can go to any preschool you want for free. But if you choose the religious one, you've got to pay. And would you say it's a voluntary program at that point? I'm not really sure.
Nick Reeves, senior counsel for the Beckett Fund for Religious Liberty, is representing 2 Catholic preschools in Metro Denver. They claim the non-discrimination requirement for Colorado's Universal Preschool program violates their religious rights. According to the House bill that created the UPK program, to receive the state subsidies, providers must give children equal opportunity to enroll in preschool regardless of the religious affiliation, sexual orientation, or gender identity of them or their family members.
Catholic preschools teach Catholic doctrine in school. They have Catholic beliefs about the Eucharist, about marriage, about family, and they teach kids that in school. But when they admit students to their preschool, they want to make sure that they're not creating a conflict between what the school is teaching and what the family believes.
While it's not required for preschools to participate in the UPK program, the attorneys for the parishes say it creates a financial burden exclusive to those Catholic schools.
When you've created this universal preschool program that basically makes every preschool free for 15 hours a week, and the only ones that aren't free are a handful of religious schools, it's almost like you're imposing a direct tax on those religious schools.
In June, a judge ruled nothing in the UPK equal opportunity requirement indicated religious discrimination. But Reeves wants the court to take a second look. He's filed an appeal.
Some of our clients are families who have preschool-aged children who don't have access to universal preschool because they've chosen to attend these Catholic schools. And I think that was kind of missed by the district court, that we and the state both want to increase access. And I think it's a disagreement about how best can we do that.
State officials say they can't comment on pending litigation. This case will likely be heard by the 10th Circuit Court of Appeals sometime in the fall. I'm Danielle Kreuter, Denver 7.
Going in depth, Colorado's Universal Preschool program, or UPK, launched last year. It's available to every child in Colorado as young as 3 years old, and it works by providing families a stipend to cover tuition costs. Colorado now ranks 7th in the nation in accessibility to preschool. Other faith-based schools say it hasn't been a challenge meeting the state's requirements. Denver 7 featured New Hope Preschool in September, an extension of New Hope Presbyterian Church. The preschool said they err on the side of love and are open and affirming as a program.